will demonstrate how to install the rear bench seat on your Qool stroller. So what you're going to do is open up the seat itself, and you'll hear those clicks. The footrest will just swing out and click as well. There are two brackets underneath the seat that are specifically designed to click into the rear portion of the Qool. And you're simply going to align the seat with this area, and you will hear a click on each side. To remove the bench seat, you're going to push on this lighter gray plastic and lift. The bench seat does fold down, so you can tuck it out of the way when you're not using it. You'll simply lift on the top of the seat and you can push it forward. The footrest also folds. There are two buttons on the side of the footrest. You'll squeeze in and it comes right back down. This gives you the ability to store the bench seat right into the basket if needed. And that's it.